Look, my name is Iman. My mom will be preparing homemade awara using soya beans flour. But let her take you through the process herself for today. Ma'asalama.
Mommy Iman here. So da yawa kuna tambaya na yadda nake awara, but today let us go through the process yadda nake awara amma using soya beans flour ko to. After I've picked the soya beans, I washed it, sun dried it, I blend it, and I now sift it. Gashi nan anan gurin kun ga inda nake tankadewa. Very soft, okay? Abin da zaki shi ne next sai ki dauko bowl dinki, and then you just mix this powder with water and make something very very watery. Be sure to use a very very big pot, please. Now start this with your cooker and boil this till the content styles to sai ya fara tafasa kawai, okay? I use 4 limes to 1 mudu of soya beans. Immediately it starts boiling, add the lime juice. At this point, allow to cook for 20 minutes. Stand by it so it doesn't pour out. So here was my own mistake. Instead of cooking for 20 minutes, my son was crying, and I was the only one at home recording the video. So I was so messed up. I just strained it and I add in my tatashi, and I strained everything. Wallahi, it was not well cooked. So be sure to cook for 20 minutes. I was just confused, but all in all, it tastes very good. Ma salama.